That's cool. You can see behind it.
Yeah, that's nice how. I know
So I had a last minute change.
I know what they mean because they do have like.
And I can put my stuff in my phone and it'll have the navigation right there for me. I can listen.
Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse.
Was this your dream car, Mom?
What, Emily?
Was this your dream car?
I mean, I never really have a dream car. I wanted an SUV. I've never driven an SUV. I've always had cars. I always had white or silver. So I wanted something. I wanted black. This is the last one he had too of this.
Why is
It's
you?
a $25,000 car. I got a rebate on it because they had been on sale and they were selling them like crazy. I got the last one. Do you love my new car?
Yeah. I'm recording Bresson's.
What do you think? It's our new car.
Why did you buy a new car?
Yes, get in.
He's so small you can barely even see him over the front.
So cute. No, back seat, buddy. What do you think?
Why did you buy a new car?
Because we needed a new car.
But you are sweaty.
Because we went to pee.
Do you love it?
Alright guys, so I did not really explain it like a while ago. I was just showing you guys. My mom got a new car. Here it is. It's really nice. Yeah. Right now we're giving it a car wash. This is actually brand new. No one's ever used it before. There's a bug right there. He slowly died because of all the water. So yeah, there's like water all on here. But yeah, here it is. And here's a tour of the inside. I can't really show you the front of the car, but here's that, you know, the back. We need to get these papers out of the way. I kind of ruined this one. Oops. But yeah. I like it a lot.
Here's this dog.
Please don't make